Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we're looking at something just absolutely brilliant. It's bright, it's powerful, and best of all, it's entirely natural. We are breaking down a really targeted recipe known as the Crimson Vitality Elixir. Honestly, if you've been searching for a way to naturally boost your physical wellness using just raw, everyday ingredients, well, you've hit the jackpot. You're in exactly the right place. Let's get right into it, shall we?
Okay, let's dive into this. The big overarching promise of this elixir is that it's a super vibrant, incredibly nutrient-dense fresh juice, or smoothie, depending on how you make it, that acts as a massive, natural iron booster. We're not just talking about blindly throwing random fruits into a blender and hoping for the best. No way! This is a highly functional beverage. It's literally designed to optimize how your body operates from the inside out. So what does this actually mean for you? The absolutely crucial point here is the systemic impact this drink has on your whole body. It delivers two major health hitters. It's a natural iron booster and it's a circulation booster. For anyone out there wanting to maximize their daily blood flow and really pack in that nutrient density, this is exactly why taking 5 minutes to make this drink is 100% worth your time. It's like a dual-action tune-up for your internal health.
All right, moving on to Section 1, the anatomy of the ingredients. Let's look at this perfect synergy.
And this brilliantly illustrates the real magic of this recipe. It's all about the cause and effect relationship between these three powerhouse components. First up, the beetroot. This provides the heavy-hitting nitrates that are directly responsible for enhancing your blood flow. Then, ginger steps in to gently soothe your digestion. But the true synergy? That happens with the orange. You see, the orange adds a crucial hit of vitamin C, which actively helps your body absorb all that amazing iron provided by the beetroot. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance. They are specifically designed to work together so you get the absolute maximum nutritional uptake.
Which brings us to Section 2, how to make it. Let's get right to the action.
Okay, here is your fast-paced game plan. Step 1 is the prep. You're going to want to thoroughly scrub and peel that beetroot. Next, peel your orange, but make absolutely sure to pick out those seeds. Nobody wants blended seeds in their drink. Then, just cut off a tiny piece of fresh ginger. You only need about ½ inch here. Step 2, give everything a rough chop and toss those vibrant ingredients straight into your blender or juicer. Step 3 is adding your liquid, which is totally essential if you're using a blender. And finally, Step 4, just blend it up until it is completely smooth. Boom! It's a rapid, super efficient process from the cutting board straight to your glass.
Now, really quick, if you were using a blender instead of a juicer, you've got to pay close attention to this specific number. You need to add right around 100 to 150 milliliters of water. To put that into everyday terms, that's about 1/3 to 1/2 cup. So why this exact measurement? Well, beetroot is incredibly tough. I mean, it's a dense root vegetable. That specific splosh of water is exactly what's needed to help your blender blades catch and process it efficiently, without watering down the awesome nutritional density of your final drink.
And hey, for those of you out there who want an absolutely perfect, super silky finish, I've got an optional pro tip for you. Once your juice is totally blended, you can strain it right through a fine sieve or a piece of cheesecloth. Doing this simply filters out any remaining fibrous pulp, so you're left with a much smoother texture, while still completely retaining all of those incredible systemic health benefits we were just talking about. Best of both worlds for sure.
All right, so let's recap. We've broken down the blood-flowing nitrates, that awesome digestion-soothing ginger, the brilliant iron-absorbing vitamin C synergy, and the exact steps you need to craft it perfectly at home. So the only thing left to ask is, are you ready to blend your way to better circulation and vibrant vitality today? I highly recommend taking these insights, heading straight to your kitchen right now, and trying this natural booster for yourself. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I will catch you on the next one.